The township of Glenreagh, located near Coffs Harbour in northern New South Wales, was the beginning of a railway line that climbed the Great Dividing Range to the community of Dorrigo. The cost of construction was astronomical, and over 700 men were employed to build the line over a 10-year period. All revenue-earning services ceased in the 1970s, and it was left to enthusiasts to continue the story and the fascinating history that the line was known for since it was built. The Glenreagh Mountain Railway was formed in 1989 to operate trains over the bottom half of the section to Lowanna, and in later years it was successful in returning historic Z19 class number 1919 to service. Built in Manchester, England, 1919 was based at Grafton, where it worked services over the Dorrigo branch line. It finished up at Enfield in Sydney, from where it was road-hauled to Western New South Wales to be displayed at the Lachlan Village tourist attraction. Here it stood for many years, before it was acquired privately after the site closed permanently to the public, and it was put on a low loader for transportation to its new home at Dorrigo, which would turn out to be a temporary base for the engine. In the late 1990s, 1919 was road-hauled once again, this time to the other end of Dorrigo branch line at Glenreagh, where restoration would eventually take place for a return to service in the future. At the same time, volunteers restored the section from the GMR's base to Tallowood Creek with the intention of going to Lowanna, but sadly this didn't eventuate. 1919 returned to service in mid-2004, and it hauled many shuttle trips along its former stamping ground until 2008, when all operations with the steam loco were suspended. In 2023, Tallowood Ventures was formed with the intention of creating a rail trail over much of the branch between Glenreagh and Lowanna. And as part of the plan, 1919 would receive restoration work to once again haul trains for the public. Tallowood Ventures was awarded $44,700 from Fire to Flourish, and in 2024 work started. All assets from the Glenreagh Mountain Railway were transferred over to the new group, and the GMR now no longer exists.